Yo guys, Henry here. And like I said in my previous video, I've been using the S22 Plus for a while now. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you my top features that I like that you can get on any of the S22 lineup. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the first one is actually called RAM Plus. It's like a feature in Android 12 on Samsung devices, but then I was able to really use it on my S22 Plus. So what this actually does is it helps you use some part of your phone's internal storage as RAM. So let me teach you how you can do that. I just go to settings and then I just type RAM Plus. So RAM Plus. So when you go to RAM Plus, it checks through the phone and then the amount of storage and everything that you have. And then you scroll down to RAM Plus. So when you click on RAM Plus, you can choose the amount of storage you want to use as an additional RAM. And you can see here, you can go as high as 8 gigs of RAM. So this phone by default comes with 8 gigs of RAM. And if I can use up to 8 gigs of RAM to use as part of my 8 gigs of RAM, that gives me about 16 gigs of RAM. I don't know what I'll be doing with 16 gigs of RAM on my phone, but then yeah, it's here, and that's why I like it. Another improvement that I like on this phone over the previous one is the fact that it supports up to 45 watts fast charging. That means you can charge your phone from 0 to 100 in no time, less than an hour. And you can spend time using the phone and enjoy the phone rather than spending time waiting for it to finish charging. And as if that is not enough, you can also wirelessly charge other phones up to 4 watts. That's like the normal speed every phone charges, which is pretty enough. If you want to charge something like your AirPods or your Apple Watch or Samsung Watch that you use, that's like a throw. And then also you can also use it to charge your friends' iPhones for them at a normal speed. They use their chargers to charge their phone. My favorite third improvement is the fact that this phone is optimized to work properly with social media apps like Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, like those video picture apps thing. I went into detail or spoke about it in my main review, so you can also check it out. Link will be in the description or the card up above. But yeah, generally, I actually really enjoy using Snapchat or Instagram photos on this phone because of how well it is optimized or how well it works. Heck, you can use all 3 cameras at the back of the phone inside the Snapchat app or Instagram app or TikTok app if you're into that. So yeah, happy snapping, I guess. Last thing, which is actually not an improvement, is something that most Samsung flagship devices have from S8 or most of their flagship tablets have, is Dex mode. So Dex mode essentially gives you like desktop experience on your phone, or in layman's term, you can use your phone as a system unit to do things like powerful multitasking and all that kind of stuff. If you are using a tablet that supports it, you can just use it like that. But if you're using a phone, you can connect your phone through USB Type-C to HDMI to your monitor, and then you can use it. And then once you've connected it as a system unit, you can actually use your phone as a trackpad. But if you don't have that and you have access to a dock like this, you can put your phone to it, and then you get access to 2 USB ports, an Ethernet port, and you can use your phone as a system unit. So essentially being able to do things you would normally do on your desktop on your phone, just that you would have to run Android apps. That's the only thing. At some point, I learned you can even install Ubuntu on the Dex partitioning of your Samsung device, which is actually really cool. So yeah, these are my top features that I actually like from my Samsung devices. Tell me your favorite in the comment section below. And if you think I missed anything too, just let me know in the comment section below. And as always, see you guys in the next one.